we can't play it because he's not here. Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are off to the Pleasure Beach. It is late night riding. So we'll be there from 10 till 10. The plan is today to get lots of off-ride shots. I've been in this vlog. And yeah, and go on icon so many times. There's lots of new merchandise that I want to get. Not like I can get it all. There's lots of new stuff I want to get. There's quite a few pins that I want to get. So we'll see about that. So yeah, come on with us to the right. So yeah, see the Pleasure Beach.
Everybody say chocolate. Everybody say chocolate.
We've now made it into the Pleasure Beach. It was very busy at the entrance. Luckily we collected our wristbands. We had our wristband boats for a change.
Quite quick.
Yeah, really good one.
I might buy one of them today.
What? I want to...
One of them Coke refills for a tenner. Because we're going to be sweating.
Do you want to do this in the shop now or after?
I think they're tight.
Yeah.
Oh God, look at the cushions.
Oh, there's so much more. There's so much new stuff to see. Yeah. They've actually got proper mats now where you don't have to fall in yourself. What?
My imagination. I thought there's a and I was like, oh my God.
Right, we'll see you after I come. Here we go, first riders of the day. We just had an amazing front row ride on Icon. I've changed my mind. The front is a lot better. I need to check the back, see which I prefer. I think it'll be the front. It was just so free on the front. It felt so good back to go out, it really did. Absolutely amazing. And that's why it's number one. Absolutely brilliant. I'll go Luke's opinion. See on the front row though?
The best.
Best, isn't it?
Oh, look at the queue there, look.
Should we go again?
Dead jam.
We're going again.
Can we get a drink?
Yeah, can get a drink. Absolutely dead on the front row.
Get something you want, something.
Brilliant.
You like. Big one, and the queue is now. So, well, you know what we do. So, instead of going on a big one, we're going to go on Morrison Grommet. We're going on Morrison Grommet. So, it's just come off Morrison Grommet. Everything's working in there, which is good. It's really nice and cold in there. And you come out here, heat gets you. It warm as it did.
It does.
Just got out.
Yeah, exactly. It really does feel hot.
They got all the stuff in there, look.
Yeah. So what do you want to do now?
Stroll it down now.
Yeah. What they need here is ride times.
Oh what?
Ride times.
Yeah, they don't have them, do you never know?
I've said this for years. That's the last thing they need now.
They do.
Is ride times. They've got the Gigi Pass. They've got everything else. They just need ride times. Yeah, that's the last thing they need. Yeah, having a really good day. Having to go on free rides.
Or in an app as well, times up.
Yeah, that's the last thing they need, and this part will be perfect.
They must know the ride time, so that queue box.
Yeah. Right, let's...
What do they?
Should we have infusion?
Do what?
Should we see what an infusion is like?
Do what?
Infusion!
Yeah, let's go. I'll do it today. I'm in the mood for it.
This is on the Pleasure Beach Express for a break.
So we haven't done it
Yeah, we haven't done it for ages. We've done it for a year, because we went out this time last year. Yeah. No, we're still testing, we didn't test today while we were here.
Thank you. Nice. Thank you. Oh, it's a nice picture. Thank you. Oh, don't we get wet? Oh no, it's Legoland. probably shallow, but still. Come in. Wrong side. The rides are wrong times. They keep coming the wrong time.
That is big, not that's almost. Never know what's that red bull. That is so good. You don't think that I don't think it's not like a potato up there.
So we were going to go on Icon, but it's just stupid. No, not Icon. Big one.
Obsessed with Icon.
So
Yeah, no, definitely Icon.
let's just accidentally walk into the queue of Icon.
I bet you are.
Yeah. Because accidentally.
Well, look at it now as well.
It's not that busy, that'll go down quick. Be quicker than the freaking big one.
I bet you that'll go quick the big one. Just go on this then.
Hey.
Only because of the queue, and then we'll go on something else.
Ugh.
We knew we've not been on all day. Just see the queue.
So we're going to do Watson one again because it's the only one with a short check queue. So right, we've had a revelation. Luke's bought us a speedy pass because we're so fed up with queuing the rides, and we've only been on Watson one and Icon. So we bought a speedy pass and we've reserved big one. The queue normally is 2 hours and 40 minutes, so we're going to go wait what, an hour and...
Which isn't too bad.
An hour, no, it was an hour 40, wasn't it?
Yes.
And then...
I need a wee full ghost.
Yeah, mate. And then we're going to Ghost Train, Icon again, and then
Skyfalls.
big one. And you want to do Skyfalls?
You won't go on.
No, I will not.
Oh, no, I'll leave it then.
Oh.
I'm not going on my
I'll
own.
watch you if you want.
I'm not going on my own.
Okay, bye. Right then. We're about to go on the big one, but at the moment we're not because it's not moved. Not going up. I don't know what happens.
had an awful ride on the Icon, big one.
That's how obsessed you are.
That's your fault, that is. Yeah, it was awful, rough. Never doing it again. I say that every time, and then I get forced on it.
Huh?
Then I get forced on it.
It's been alright, I felt rough though this time. Really rough.
You're not 6 foot tall.
Yeah, but I was.
Driving at 6 foot tall.
I normally don't feel it.
I could just try and get in the car. Ridiculous. Anyway, we're gonna have some food and then probably go on Icon again.
Get it.
So we've just been on the street. That was okay. Running one train as usual. Now we're going to go on a full ride on Icon. And then we reserve. What we reserved?
What?
What we reserved?
Fusion.
Fusion. Great, can't wait. So we just had our full ride on Icon. What we do now? Give it a shot.
Oh, that's nice. You know where I'm going to put it?
No, I don't know where you're going to put it.
Huh?
I don't know where you're going to put it either. I don't know how you're going to get home either.
Hey?
I don't know how you're going to get home either.
I'll slip it in my face somewhere.
Okay.
Somewhere.
We're not going to do infusion because I've got a headache and that'll just make it worse. So we'll reserve Wallace and Gromit and we're going to do that. First, well, Luke goes to give Shaun.
Avalanche is unavailable as well.
So we just come off Wallace and Gromit again. Third time today. They're boring.
Ghost train's 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Any of them?
Something smooth, my head banging.
Well, the ghost train's not exactly smooth, is it?
Yeah, it's smoother than
Or
infusion.
Alice, should we do Alice?
Yeah, go on.
That's 15 minutes. Because we haven't done that, have we? Entering 15.
So 15 minutes tickets at 8 o'clock.
Yeah. And then we just wait until it gets dark.
Yeah. Right, so we wait for Alice. And then
Alice, where are you, Alice?
Alice!
Where are you?
So yeah, do that and then we'll be
Where's Alice?
Icon in the dark. So we just had a ride on Alice in Wonderland. It looks like they painted a lot in there. Everything looks quite bright. I don't know if it's just
There's
us.
some scenes that are darkest.
Yeah. And I don't know if it's just us
But what they sold
with a bad memory. But it did look painted up in there. And the leaves outside that it painted up as well. Right, I don't know this for sure. But yeah.
Favourites.
Well, actually, I like them.
Alright then, firstly let's give it up for SpongeBob SquarePants. Secondly, this pump's gonna fly. It's Guy and Chase. There's not one, not two, but three, there's four. It's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Alright, so we're meant to make two. It's going to be over Team Nick today. So we've got Team Nick Sophie and Jeremy. Team Nick Blue and Team Nurse.
At least Eric's not here.
And your nurse as well, Team Nick Mono.
That's it, idiot.
Alright guys, we're here. One last time. There we go, massive round of applause there to Team Nick and your Nick.
Okay, I need to go through that one.
Oh no!
Go through that one.
So now, if you want a picture with them, then we're going over to where the water fountains are. thank you over there. And you'll be able to get your picture with your favourite Nick Tunes, right? One more time, thank you very much, guys!
That's pretty nice. That's the second time. Last year.
I got soaked because Eric.
Yeah. This time we can't blame Eric because he's not here.
Things to do.
Go on Luke, go through it again. I really like the atmosphere of the park. I really like the atmosphere. Such a nice atmosphere, yeah.
Right, it's got busier.
It's busy and I think it's a little bit darker than last time. We're going to join the queue up all tonight. Quite a long queue, so it should get dark. Icon is finished. Last few trains going out. We're starting the second row from the back. Yeah, really throws you around on the back. We did that time anyway.
Especially that one roll where you like feel yourself lift up there.
Yeah.
You feel like you're going to fall down.
Really push you around on the, threw you around the corners on the last section.
Loved it.
Yeah. I think I definitely still prefer the front, even though you get more airtime.
I do now.
Even though you get more airtime on the
That more enjoyable.
thing, top hat, I think it's called. Even though you get more airtime on that, you still get those on the front. But yeah, anyway, it was really good. Proper dark.
Huh?
Really good.
It looks really good in the dark.
Yeah.
If not, it looks better.
Yeah. I just kind of wish they didn't do fireworks and till 10.
Let's go to Wallace, shall we?
Yeah.
Have a last ride.
We're gonna have one more run, Robert. Was that full final Robert?
Yeah.
Robert now?
We've got more than we usually do.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to buy some candy.
Yeah.
I'm on
Yeah.
Candy Plus all day. I didn't want to carry it.
Yeah, it's been an okay day.
We've got lots of now.
It got better after we got the speedy pass.
I think we should have got that earlier.
Yeah, I think we should have got that earlier. A lot earlier. Oh well.
But we didn't know, did we? Like,
No.
in there.
Yeah, cool. So,
My legs.
fireworks will be on in half an hour, ish, and I'll show you some highlights. So we just got back from the Pleasure Beach. I am knackered. I'm going to quickly end this vlog because otherwise I have to do it in the morning. I don't want to do that. So we had a good day. All in all, once we bought the speedy pass, we were fine. What is my hair doing? We did get on quite a bit. We went to Walsall Grommet again. For the fireworks. Fireworks are good. The problem with that park is a lot of rides have one train. Infusion I think was on one train. Grand National one train. Nicosia Street one train. I know they can't be helped. And I know they probably only got one train for all of them, but anyway. Apart from that it was fine. Icon was running the best all day. Through trained all day. Farmer Way didn't break down. So that was good. So I bought a few pins, of course. So Icon. I saw this one online and it's been sold out for ages. So that's a lie. Ghost Train, which is that way. Oh, that one. And then this is new for this year. That's very cool. And then this Pleasure Beach one. Now they actually have proper maps now. They don't have them things you have to fold yourself. That's better. I also bought a hat. Icon. Which I'll probably use when we go to... Oh, I'm actually dying. Right, I have to quickly end. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And the next vlog will be Man 2 Swords, Sea Life, Tower, and all that jazz. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.